आपने कहा कि जैकी से मिलने से पहले 5 सालों के लिए आप सिंगल थे, बट बहुतों ने आपको आस्क आउट किया होगा, तो आपने उन्हें रिजेक्ट क्यों किया था?
या मैं माइंड स्पेस में ही नहीं थी.
Okay.
मुझे फॉर मी माई वर्क वॉज अ प्रायोरिटी, और मुझे लगता था कि यार मुझे ना अभी और कुछ सोचना नहीं है, मुझे अपने ब्लाइंडर्स डाल के मुझे काम करना है.
वर्क जोन में थे
मैं
आप?
वर्क जोन में थी. बिकॉज फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू बी हियर and I don't want anyone stopping me to be here. And I was not that girl who thought from, oh, this guy is so hot. Oh my, I've never, my DNA has never been that. In the first few years while I was in Telugu, I was almost doing 5-6 films a year. तो टाइम ही नहीं था.
पर्सनल लाइफ के लिए टाइम मिलता था एट ऑल?
या मिलता था बिकॉज वहाँ पे ना पैकअप 6 बजे हो जाता है. वहाँ पे द बेस्ट थिंग इज यू स्टार्ट अर्ली, लेकिन 6 बजे कॉल शीट खत्म हो जाती है. तो यू आर होम बाय 7, स्टार्ट बाय 6 AM, 7 AM. So you're home by 7 and you get that 2 hours to sort of unwind, meet your friends if you want to, be with your family, and then again wake up at 5 AM, work out, go to shoot. You know.
But उस phase में you weren't seeking love at all?
I was only seeking work. I was so bhukka for work. I was just like work. Yeah.
Good decision.
Very good decision. Yeah, I think you know, such a good decision that by the time I was seeking love, I knew what I wanted, and it's not like, and it's the universe that made it happen.
What did you not want?
Frivolousness, show off. I did not want, so basic, ये तो चलो बड़ी बातें हो गई. So basic, I didn't want someone who would order fried food. I have rejected a person. Damn, I'm saying this on podcast, but my friends were trying to like make me meet this one person, and we all go out. I was like, yaar, chalo theek hai, tum log bhi sab sath mein chalo. So we've all gone for dinner, and this person ordered fried gyozas. Now, sorry, people, have nothing against, but it's not my taste, and it's okay. You can order whatever you want, but then I ordered the food that I ordered, and he looked down upon it. कि तुम लोग कैसा खाना खा रहे हो, ये क्या है, what is healthy? And that's where I was like, you're out. You know, it can never happen. We can't share a meal if we can't have the same lifestyle. Like for me, it was always coming from it was never impulse.
Mm-hmm.
It was coming from a very possibly a mature thought of what is long lasting. Right? I mean, because I've seen around in my friends, there would be fights on, इसको चाइनीज खाना है, मुझे इंडियन खाना है.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा अंडररेटेड कंपैटिबिलिटी ट्रेट होती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब for us, I'm not kidding. There is this one particular protein bar that me and Jackie love. For us, sharing that protein bar every day, मतलब हमको उसमें मजा आता है. Like anybody who's listening, they'll be like, protein bar, but it's like a dessert. I'm telling you. I'll tell you off the camera what brand that is. But it's our joy. I'll come back from shoot, he'll come back from office, say आधा protein bar खाएंगे, चलो ठीक है आधा. मतलब that's our joy, you know. And these are small joys in life that money can't buy, that fame can't buy, that success can't buy. This is just companionship. And I think what I was seeking was companionship, that best friend.
मैं divorce से बहुत डरता हूँ. As is the case with everyone our age, I feel. Especially pre-शादी or on the day of शादी. क्योंकि इतने सारे divorces हो रहे हैं. Do you see that around you? कि friends getting?
Yeah.
I see too many around me.
Yeah.
I don't know. इस divorce शायद हो सकता है pressure के साथ आप कैसे deal करते थे pre-marriage?
मैं ये फिल्म क्यों करूं, शायद ये कल फ्लॉप हो सकती है. If you live in the negative or in the fear of the worst, you're never going to enjoy the present. None of us know the future. Is there an intention to keep it right? Yes. And I think that's what you need to believe in. We believe that at least mentally we are both people who want and understand that a relationship requires understanding. It requires compatibility. It requires respecting one another's space. You know, we are not those irritating boyfriend, girlfriend bolne wali thi, husband, wife who will call each other 10 times, and you give that space. We're not insecure. I think the moment there's insecurity in any relationship, that's what leads to drama and hence divorce. And it'll always stem from insecurity. If देखो लड़ाइयाँ किस बात पे होती हैं, लड़ाई होंगी तुमने ये किया, या तो ईगो होगी या इनसिक्योरिटी होगी, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज सेल्फ वर्क दैट्स नॉट डन, बिकॉज ओनली व्हेन यू आर नॉट कंप्लीट इन योर सेल्फ, दिस इज माई थीसिस, कि अगर आपके अंदर का कोई एक क्या बोलते हैं चक्रा हिला हुआ है, तो आपको लगेगा कि शायद वो भी ऐसा ही कर रही है, या शायद इनसिक्योरिटी कहाँ से आती है, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ सो दैट पर्सन इज पॉसिबली डूइंग दैट, बट इट्स समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, because that can happen with friends, that can happen in relationships, that can happen in any relationship of your life. So I feel, yeah, I mean, live in the present. डर के क्यों जीना है?
मेरी एक relationships की theory है which I am like deeply convinced about, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सोचा है इसके बारे में.
I'd love to know.
And it always like ends up correct on people that have applied it to. तो I strongly feel कि हर relationship में ना पहले at some point physical intimacy थोड़ी fade away होने लगती है. It's just how human bodies and minds are built.
Yeah.
फिर रोल होता है intellectual intimacy का, यानी कि conversations.
Absolutely.
But at some point वो भी थोड़ा fade away होने लगता है.
Right.
And finally you're only left with spiritual intimacy.
Yeah.
Spiritual intimacy को अगर break down करें, I feel कि हर इंसान की spiritual journey में 3 factors होते हैं. पहला factor knowledge, like gaining knowledge, spiritual knowledge about what is the meaning of life, what is the purpose of the soul. दूसरा factor practice if possible, meditation, etc. etc. And third factor is like social work, giving back to society. And I feel कि इनमें से या तो एक या तो सारे के सारे आपको पकड़ने चाहिए as a couple, because
Absolutely.
that's where you actually will end up growing.
Absolutely.
Spiritual intimacy कभी fade नहीं होगी, but फिजिकल और इंटेलेक्चुअल इंटिमेसी डेफिनेटली फेड होंगे. दोस्तों ऐसे ही बहुत सारे क्लिप्स अपलोड किए हैं इस चैनल पर. चैनल को एक्सप्लोर करो, देखते जाओ और सीखते जाओ.